Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how to optimize a blog post, any blog post on your website, or all of them is of course what you're going to want to do. How to optimize any blog post on your website for SEO. So yeah, let's get straight into it. First of all I'm going to do is use one of these keyword phrases that we've got just here. So as you can see, best SEO courses I've got just here, and then best SEO courses I've searched in Google. And after all of the ads, the first one is this one here by searchenginewatch.com. So we're going to click on that and see what they've done, and I'm just going to talk to you about what they've done. And yeah, so we're just going to get straight into it. So first of all, as you can see, the title and the description, and then the slug, which is the link basically, so the URL, sorry. So as you can see, the slug is the second bit. So this is the URL, and then the slug for it is best SEO training programs in the UK, like that. So the slug for this one, it doesn't actually show you, it just shows you that it's going to be in the category development, which is awesome. So they've got a really good description just here with the first parts of their information on their blog post, and then they've got an awesome title for what they're putting. I'm going to show you how to do all of this in just a second. So first of all, we're just going to go onto it. As you can see, they're using keywords in here, keywords in all of it basically. Keywords everywhere, no thanks, and they've got pop-ups as well for the email list, which is absolutely, well, awesome and very clever. And then they've got some backlinks. Let me see. Yes, a backlink back onto their website, which is fantastic. So it goes in from one page to another. And they have images, which is fantastic as well. They have, let's see, videos. So they have lots of media as well. And then at the bottom here, at the very bottom of the post, you can see they've got comments as well. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how to do what they've done basically. First of all I've done is make a blog post. Now, lorem ipsum is something you can do to generate random text. So as you can see, I've got 15 paragraphs of random text just here. We're going to optimize this for the keyword best SEO courses. Okay, so first of all we need to do is go to edit post. So just click it just here if you're on WordPress, of course, or you just need to change it in the HTML file if you're using an HTML website. And then you can see here we've got the title. Now, first of all, for the title, all I'm going to put is the best SEO courses of 2017. Now, I'm going to change this in just a second, don't worry, possibly. It all depends on how this goes. So, you're not going to see the results in this video, of course, because I'm only just doing this, but no worries. Now, this isn't going to work amazingly. I'm just showing you the basics of what you'll need to do. So all you need to do now is copy that and install a plugin if you're using WordPress called Yoast SEO. I think that's how you pronounce it. And if you scroll all the way down, you can see just here, this is Yoast SEO. So this just here is the slug. So you can edit it just here, which is awesome. So if you do that, it'll be the best SEO courses of 2017. Now you can change that to whatever you need it to be. And then you can also change the description as well. So all you will need to do is optimize the SEO title, slug, and the meta description for your needs, depending on what your keywords are. So what I would recommend is copying a paragraph and then just pasting it in here. Of course, these paragraphs are all just random text, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, so you need to optimize the title with your keywords. You will need to, let me just click back onto here for you. As you can see, they've got a nice long title. Well, not too long, but just a good size really. But they've not really got the greatest of links with all the different numbers here and years and all that. But it works because they've got the main slug there, which is fantastic. And then, yeah, so if I scroll back down, you can see the slug. You can just change that to the best SEO courses for something like this, I'd say. The best SEO courses, like that. Or just even best SEO courses, that works too, like so. And then we have the description. You can put what you need there. And then we have the focus keyword, which we're going to put as the same as the title, because, you know, if everything's the same, you'll definitely get there for those keywords. Oh, I just zoomed out. Sorry about that. Zoom back into 100%. And focus keyword. There we go. Paste that in. Yeah, so this also gives you tips as basically what you need to do is make sure you're using the keywords in the actual blog post. The focus keyword doesn't appear in the first paragraph of the blog post or copy, whatever they want to call it. Make sure the topic is clear immediately. So if I just say, I'm going to paste this in just here, instead of that, like so, full stop. And as you can see, that will then go to green for that one. There we go, look, the focus keyword, so that's in green. So all you need to do is go through all of these and make sure they're all in green. It's absolutely fantastic and really easy to do. All you need to do is read. Now it says the text, this is more than or equal to the recommended minimum of 300 words. You've never used this focus keyword before, very good. So it's always good, it says, it's basically saying it's always good to use new keywords, but it's not required, so don't worry. So yeah, it's an absolutely awesome little tool here you can use. And then, yeah, so we can close that now. And this is a little program you can use, well, program feature you can add to your website for free. And this will add the comment section to the bottom of your blog posts. So yeah, all you need to do is go get started and just go through all of their little things to get started, which is absolutely nice and easy. And it'll be worthwhile. It'll be worthwhile for sure in the ending. So as you can see, they've also got they also had some things to share it. We've got this Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest. We've got Facebook, Twitter, Google+, Pinterest, email, all of that over in the corner over here as well. And at the bottom, we've also got share this, Twitter, Facebook, Google+. So we've got it everywhere we need it to be, really. There's more than enough there. I reckon the comments will definitely improve it. So we can add that, which is nice and easy. You just need to follow along the steps they've got on there. And then they've also got monetization, so you can put ads on it. But that's not really too necessary. I think that's in the paid features only, so don't worry about that. That's not required. So yeah, that's pretty much all you'll need to do, really. Just make sure that you install this WordPress plugin and just follow along to what they are telling you. The readability, it also gives you tips on that as well. None of the paragraphs are too long. 0% of the sentences contain more than 20 words. So yeah, just follow along with that as well. And just do what they're telling you, really, because it's a really, really good, helpful program to use. You can always add a keyword by clicking this as well, but that does require the premium service, so that also costs more. Let's just click that, see how much it costs. Leave. That costs $300 up to 5 sites, or just $69 for a site. So that's not too bad, really. No, it's not too bad. So yeah, just make sure you optimize it by adding your keywords in, and then you'll end up in the top page of search results and you'll get a lot more visitors. So it's absolutely fantastic. That's all I really have to say for this video. Thanks for watching. I know it was a long one. Thanks for listening. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.